To change the font style on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the display and brightness. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on the font settings, which will allow you to switch between different font settings, like you can change to MI Sans or default. Additionally, you can click on those three dots, which should open the Xiaomi store, and there's ads as usual per Xiaomi device, so let's try to skip them. Now inside we'll be able to find different fonts. Most of them will have a price tag, so you will need to actually pay to get them, but there's also options that are free. So if we scroll down, I think if we scroll down long enough, we should be able to find free fonts. Okay, it seems that there's no free fonts right here, but I'm certain there will be. So let's go up again, and then when we reach the top, we should be able to find the categories. If we enter it, let's say today's new, and then you'll see a few free options. So you just need to find them in specific categories and then choose them as your font style. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.